Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use wireless headphones on your PlayStation VR2. Now first, let's get this out of the way. Do wireless headphones actually work with PSVR2? Technically, yes, but you'll need an adapter and it won't work for every pair. You may be better off going with wired, but you need to understand which headphones actually work with a PSVR2. Because the PlayStation VR2 actually has no inbuilt speakers, so it relies on a 3.5mm headphone jack and basic wired earbuds packaged with the headset. So you can use, any headphones with an audio jack for the best performance, or you can try USB-A Bluetooth adapter with the, low latency. This doesn't always work though, so the best bet is using the official Sony Pulse 3D wireless headset. This was actually designed specifically for the PS5 and actually ships with an adapter in the box. But you can also try these third-party wireless PS5 headsets as long as you have the right adapter to go with them, okay? Now, so the issue though is if you try using a Bluetooth, right, it's not built for that, okay? To use these wireless headphones with your PlayStation VR2, you'll need a wireless headset that connects to your PS5 console. Now, these Bluetooth headphones, you can actually use them as a PS, VR2 itself does not support Bluetooth audio, so just get something that actually works. For example, the Sony Pulse 3D wireless headset. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you in the next one.